Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Gadget Estates. Today we want to unbox the Tecno Pouvoir 2. As we all know, the Tecno Pouvoir 2 runs on the Android version of 8.1 and it has 2 gig RAM, 16 gig ROM, and the battery is also 5000 mAh, which is strong enough, and we know that can even last up to 4 days. So let's go on and
Welcome back. Please subscribe if you have not done so. So yeah, we have the Tecno Pouvoir 2, which has 5000 mAh battery. It has 8 megapixel front camera and 30 megapixel back camera. Then here we have the volume, the switch button and the volume button. Yeah, this is where we have the SIM slots. Here we have this earpiece jack. Menu of the phone. This is how the Tecno Pouvoir 2 menu looks like. Let's check our setting.